Good morning, everyone, and how are you doing? And welcome to this morning's positive EFT. So if you're around, come in and let me know that you're joining me, and if you're watching on the replay, you are equally as welcome. So for those who are new to the group, my name is Yvonne. I'm an EFT practitioner and a personal development coach, and I help people like you and me who struggle with confidence to believe in themselves again. And one of the ways I do that is through EFT. So I come on here every morning and I introduce people to EFT through positive affirmations. And the positive affirmation decks I use are, good morning Dara, how are you doing? Louise Hay's Heart Thoughts deck, it's a beautiful deck. So I pull an affirmation from that. The Miracles Now deck, good morning Emer. I pull in, there's beautiful colours in that, it's really, really nice. And I also pull a gratitude card, okay? So we have 3 gorgeous cards out this morning for you. So whenever you're ready. Good morning Sylvia, how are you doing? Okay, so the first card says, I am pure spirit. Okay, and on the back of it, it says, I recognize the true beauty of my being. Hi Kate, I am the spirit of love shining brightly. So that's a really, really nice card. It's really positive. I am pure spirit. I recognize the true beauty of my being. I am the spirit of love shining brightly. Really nice. Okay, and then the card from Miracles Now says, when I shine bright, I give others permission to shine with me. Really, really nice. So in other words, if you shine your light, you'll create a ripple effect, and other people will feel they have permission to shine their light too. Okay, it's really, really nice. And then the gratitude card says, good morning Sharon. So really beautiful colours in the gratitude card this morning. And it says, let the thankful heart sweep through the day, and as the magnet finds the iron, so it will find in every hour some heavenly blessings. Really, really nice card. So I can't talk this morning. Let the thankful heart sweep through the day, and as the magnet finds the iron, so it will find in every hour some heavenly blessings. Really, really nice. Beautiful. Yeah, really beautiful cards, Sylvia. I have to say, they're really nice positive message this morning, and that's what we want. So, okay, good. Now, I'm going to have to tap with the other hand, because as you can see, I sprained my hand the other day. Don't ask me how. I don't know how. I know I went for a swim and I woke up the next morning and I couldn't move it. Yesterday I couldn't tap at all. So, yeah, I don't know. It must have hurted unknowns to myself when I went for a swim. It was that cold, I didn't notice probably. But yeah, so you'll see me tapping with my other hand this morning. Okay, so that's why. Oh, and before I forget, I want to say happy birthday to my gorgeous niece, Annie Farrelly. I know she watches these lives when she's on her way to school. So happy birthday, Annie. We love you loads. We love you lots like jelly tots. Okay, so here we go. So whenever you're ready, let's get started. Yes, they are gorgeous cards here. Really, really nice. Positive message. That's what we want. Okay, so let's ground ourselves. So place both feet on the ground. Okay. And use that lovely cold to take you out of your head and into the now. Okay. And just check in with yourself and ask yourself, how are you feeling today? What's going on for you? How do you feel? Do a quick body scan. Close your eyes if you need to. Oh, thank you, Sharon. She'd be delighted. So, and just acknowledge how you're feeling. Okay. And then we're going to take 3 deep heart breaths. So place your dominant hand over your heart, followed by your other hand. And whenever you're ready, we're going to take a deep breath in. And breathe out. And take another deep breath in. And breathe out. And one more deep breath in. And breathe out. And then just sit with those deep breaths for a minute and allow them to circulate around your body and adjust your body. Relax any tension you're feeling in your shoulders. Relax your jaw. Just notice where you're feeling tension right now and try and release it. Okay. And then whenever you're ready, we're going to tap in the affirmation cards. So if this is your first time, just do as I do and say as I say. I'll guide you around, so don't worry about it. And there's no wrong or right way. As long as you're tapping and tapping on some point that's near enough, you'll get the effect, okay? So don't worry about precision or perfection. There's no such thing. Okay, so gently tapping on the eyebrow point and repeat after me, either in your head or out loud. I am pure spirit. Side of the eye. I recognize the true beauty of my being. Under the nose. I am the spirit of love shining brightly. Under the nose. When I shine bright. Under the mouth. I give others permission to shine with me. Collarbones, and I'm thankful for the heart that sweeps through the day and finds heavenly blessings in every hour. Under the arm, I am pure spirit. Top of the head, I recognize the true beauty, back to the eyebrow, of my being. Side of the eye, I am the spirit, under the eye, of love shining brightly. Ow. Under the nose, when I shine bright. Under the mouth, I give others permission, collarbones, to shine with me. Under the arm, and I am thankful for the heart that sweeps through the day. Top of the head, and finds heavenly blessings in every hour. And then we're going to finish off with a round of relaxing and releasing. So back to the eyebrow, relaxing and releasing. Side of the eye, relaxing and releasing any resistance. Under the eye, relaxing and releasing any resistance to these affirmations today. Under the nose, relaxing, releasing and letting go. And take a deep breath in on that. And breathe out. Relaxing and releasing and letting go of any negative feelings or negative thoughts that creep into my mind today. Collarbones, relaxing, releasing and letting go. And visualize yourself letting it all go. Under the arm, relaxing and releasing and letting go of any negativity that creeps into my mind today, because it serves me no purpose. It just keeps me stuck. And I don't want to be stuck. Top of the head, feeling grounded, feeling safe, feeling positive as I go about my day. And then we finish off on the third eye, and so it is. Gently stop tapping, take a deep breath in, and breathe out. And then whenever you're ready, I want you to put in the comments, and so it is. And as you do that, I want you to visualize sending your bolt of positivity out into the world, out into the universe, out to anyone who needs it today. And don't forget to include yourself in that intention. Okay, so how was that? Really, really nice cards. Lovely positive message in that today. So I hope you resonated with them. So, that light's very bright. Anyway, I hope you resonated with them. Really, really nice message. For anybody that came in at the end, the cards were, I am pure spirit. I recognise the true beauty of my being. I am the spirit of love shining brightly. Thank you, Kate. Thank you, Sharon. Thank you, Dara. Thank you, Sylvia. When I shine bright, I give others permission to shine with me. That was beautiful. Could feel my heart expanding and feeling the love. Love it. Fantastic, Sharon. And then the gratitude card says, I am thankful for the heart that finds heavenly blessings in every hour. Really, really nice. So beautiful cards to start our day with. You're very welcome, ladies. Please remember to invite your friends to the group. Today is Welcome Wednesday, so I'll be putting in a welcome post later. So invite somebody to the group this morning that you think would enjoy it, and they'll also get the welcome message. Okay, so that's it for me today. The link for the meditation's in the post. Go and enjoy it and fill up that lovely space now with some more positivity, and enjoy your day. And I will talk to you again tomorrow. You're welcome, Emer. Bye for now.